Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter NSOs in TurboTax step by step. Whether you're a first-time filer or just want to make sure your stock options are reported correctly, this guide has got you covered. Stick around until the end because I'll share a tip that can make the process much smoother. Accessing TurboTax first, open your browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website at turbotax.intuit.com. Make sure you're using a trusted browser for security. Click on Sign In at the top of the page. Enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one. Just make sure your password is strong and secure. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start. Navigating to the federal tax section next, head over to the federal section. This is where all your federal tax filings are handled. From here, we'll go straight to the area where stock options are reported. Locating stock options. Entry scroll down and select Wages and Income. Keep scrolling until you see the Stock Options category. This is the section where you'll enter your NSO details. Inputting stock option details. Within the stock options section, click on Investments and Savings, and then hit the Start button. TurboTax will now guide you through entering your stock option information. Here, you'll input details about your option grants, any sales you made, and income adjustments related to those options. Make sure you double-check all numbers from your 1099 forms to avoid errors. Consider TurboTax Upgrade. Sometimes, TurboTax may suggest upgrading to a more comprehensive version. This is optional, but can be helpful as it provides specialized guidance and tools to report NSOs accurately. If you want peace of mind, this upgrade is worth considering. And that's it. You've successfully entered your NSOs in TurboTax. Filing stock options doesn't have to be intimidating. You just need to follow the right steps. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tax tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.